Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be installing this 30-inch, 150% density 360 wig. This is my first 360 wig install video. This is my first time even really doing a 360 wig install. But with Valentine's Day coming up and I'm going out with my mom tomorrow, I want to look really cute, have a nice little updo and all that. So we're going to see how this works. I've already bleached the knots, plucked the lace, all of that. But we're going to install this wig. It's from Wowangel on Aliexpress. I did buy this wig 100% myself, my own money. This video is not sponsored, you all. We're going to go ahead and get into it. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Let's get into it. Okay, so the wig has 3 combs on the inside. So this is like the lace around the wig, 360-degree lace. So firstly, I'm going to take out these combs. I don't wear like a wig cap, so I want to protect my real hair so it doesn't like pull out my hair or anything. And that's what these combs do when you don't wear a wig cap, at least to me. So I just take an eyebrow razor. It's like $1 at the beauty supply and cut these out. Pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and spray a little lace tint on this wig so it can blend in with my skin tone a little better. So let me get that. So I'll be using medium brown and this red by Kiss lace tint. This would be easier if I put it back on the mannequin head, but yeah, so I'm just spraying. This is gonna be a really complicated video to film too because I'm probably gonna have to like sit a mirror behind me and then try to work through that mirror, but we'll see, it's gonna work out. So I'm going to blow dry this lace to kind of like dry the lace tint. Okay, so I just threw this wig on. I'm going to first cut like slits in the wig so I can adjust it a little more. Like I have a big head and I just need to be able to fit down my whole head. So let's cut. I saw a lot of people, they go ahead and cut the lace on the back, but I'm not gonna do that yet. So let's bring this wig down a little bit to hide my big old forehead. That's one reason I just cannot give up wigs, because my freaking forehead. So we're just gonna do the first part where it's just like a frontal first. So I need to go ahead and make sure I have my ears open because you can't have a 360 wig and not have your ears out. Come on now. So let's make sure we have the lace cut off of the wig area, the ear area. Bam. So that ear is free. This ear is still stuck behind some lace. Let's free this ear. Okay, we got the ears free. The ears are free. So it would be pretty helpful to put this hair up if I can find any of my hair things. Shift my wig down a little bit because I like a little bit of a smaller forehead. But when it's an updo, I don't want it too small. That's gonna look weird. So now we're gonna treat this like a regular frontal. So I always cut my frontal into like 3 sections. I add a slit right here at the brow. And then I add another slit here at the other arch of the brow. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little closer. So we're going to go ahead and start with this region here, with this third. So first I'm gonna bend it up a little bit and we're gonna go in with Ghost Bond glue and do 3 layers. So I'm not sure if I actually wanna glue the back or I might just spray it with some lace spray. I'm not sure yet. So we'll see when we get there. So I got 1 layer, I'm gonna blow dry. Okay, I'm gonna do the next layer. Okay, so now I'm on the last layer. You all probably already know this process, so I'm just gonna speed through the other two sections before we get to the back. But you wanna make sure it's very tacky, super secure, because if you're doing updos, it's gonna add some tension to the lace and the front of the hair. So you wanna make sure it's up there when you're pulling it all up like that, basically. But I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I got everything secured. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this excess lace because I need to be able to see when I'm installing the back. So I gotta figure out how I'm going to set up this camera and my mirror so you can see and I can see what the heck I'm doing to my head. Whew. But I did kind of rip the lace a little bit over here. Let me get close. Over here a little more than I would have liked, but it'll work. It won't be a problem. It'll work. I just absolutely love Wowangel. They're like my favorite Aliexpress brand. I told you all this before already, but they really do have some of the best lace. I do feel like I put this wig a little more far back than I usually would, but it's better. It's gonna look better with my hair up. Like, nobody wants a forehead that's like right here, which is what I be doing sometimes. Especially when your hair is up, it's gonna look crazy. So this is good. This side isn't sticking that much. I'm going to go back in and add a little more glue over here because that's coming up. I kind of want to go ahead and add the baby hair because right now it looks like, it looks kind of crazy. Like, but I do want to go ahead and add the baby hair. Just so it can already start melting in and looking snatched. Let me, oh, see, I did not put that part down well. No wonder it was looking a little weird. But yes, I'm gonna add a little balm to it so when I flat iron it, it looks good. But let me add some glue right here. This is what I use to kind of slick my hair down a little bit. It's called a slick stick. It's from Luster's. But now I'm gonna go in with the argan oil mousse to kind of get it laid. But I still need to do my baby hair. I don't know why I just did that. I usually like doing my baby hair before I slick down everything too much. I look cute. But let's add a little baby hair to the temples. Is mainly where I like my baby hair to be. And add some sideburns to the hair. Go ahead, cut this. I'm using argan oil snot on my baby hair. Edges, whatever you want to call it. Okay, y'all, so I do have a little setup going. I put the mirror behind me. I'm gonna try to work on the back now. My baby hair looks kind of flicked, but when I actually style the wig, it's gonna look better, I promise. Get this wig up. I'm going to be using one of these claw clamps because it holds the hair, but not too tight to where I can't pull it down. I'm not gonna be using actual lace glue because I just started thinking about having this kind of glue on the back of my neck and I didn't like that. I didn't want that at all. I hate like the process of getting the glue off of my hair and all that. So I'm like immediately no. It's a no for that. So I'm gonna use the lace spray, the black version, what it says, extreme firm hold of the Eben lace spray. So I'm gonna turn around. I hope this looks good. And I'm just doing this for no reason. But I hope you all can see what's going on. Hold on. Okay. So bam. I need to be able to see and y'all need to see. Oh, Time is yelling. So firstly, I'm going to cut off this excess lace over here. This is actually really difficult, you guys. I probably should have cut the lace off before I did it, which is what I saw other people do. But yeah. But I'm gonna turn around and we're just eyeballing this thing, really. We're hoping. Just spraying it around the corners. Oh shoot. Around the corners of my temple. Or what is this, kitchen? Yeah, my kitchen. Okay. So we're just treating it like a normal lace frontal. And make sure when you're doing this to hold your head back the whole time because it's gonna stretch if you do it up. So make sure your head is held back the whole time. Or down. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. I hope you all are seeing this, I really do. Bring the lace down. So I did 2 layers and then once I spray the 3rd layer, I'm actually putting the lace on the glue and I'm gonna blow dry it like this. Okay, just make sure you're keeping your head down this whole time until it's like you're confident that it's dried down. It's dried down, like I can feel it on the back of my neck. This is cool, this is fun. Maybe a lot of people add like a little baby hair. You know, like I love when girls have like a high ponytail, especially like when their hair is curly and they have like a few strands out in the back that are shorter and curly. I think that's so cute. So I may do something like that. But yeah, we got it all laid. I'm going to style this hair. I think I'm gonna do the 2 front pieces and then like a curly ball or something, I don't know. But a curly ponytail, but I'll be right back, you guys. Look, this is so adorable. Like I look so cutesy. It turned out super good, super cute. It turned out super cute over here on the back. Like it's giving, like it's a lot harder than I thought to do a high ponytail. Like I guess I haven't done one in so long, but 150% density was still like a lot of hair. Like Wowangel is my favorite Aliexpress company, I think, so far. Like they have some really good hair. The lace wasn't HD, but it did like blend very well. Like it looks good. It's giving, it's eating. The lace is eating. Like I look so adorable. Like I look so cute. Oh, I love it. I look adorable. Wow. I did not need the baby hair I put under there, so I might take that off later. So like this is how it look if I did like a updo. Like thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day. I can't stop swinging my ponytail. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.